Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset the KitchenAid dishwasher, and there are multiple ways how you can do it. So let's look. I prepared like 3 dishwashers for you here. So unplug your dishwasher from the outlet for 1 minute and plug it back in. This is like the first thing that you can try to do. The second thing is that you want to push high temp and dry 5 times, wait 5 minutes and then press cancel. So we're gonna have the high temp here, pro dry here, then you're gonna have high temp here, pro dry here, and then also the dry here and high temp. So we just want to press and push it like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you just want to press cancel. And if the dishwasher still isn't working, ensure the lock and delay mode are disabled. So what you want to also do, and you want to look if you don't have the control lock enabled, and how to look for the control lock. You're either gonna have it button like this, that you just want to press and hold for 3 seconds, or you just want to have like the top rack only, and under that you're gonna have control lock, hold for 3 seconds. So maybe the KitchenAid is just locked and you need to unlock it. So either unplug it, then you just want to find the high temp and dry buttons and press it 5 times, and then what you want to do is just press cancel, and maybe that is going to help you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye.